Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at these Oppo Brothers Double Salted Caramel Swirl Ice Cream. And as you can see, what makes it special is the 80 calories, which is quite low for an ice cream. I like ice cream, I like caramel, I like salt. It's double, so it has got to be good, right? Even the packaging says it has great taste. So, well, they can't lie, right? So, I took a quick look on the inside and basically it is ice cream, but it doesn't have artificial coloring and flavoring. And it has less sugar and fat, but it has stevia, which, to be honest, I don't like stevia in products because it might be healthier than sugar, but it doesn't taste as good as sugar. So we're gonna have to find out if this is a great product. Let's take a look inside. Well, that's ice cream, as you can see. I already took some. We're gonna scoop a little bit up and find out, well, is it good? Is it not good? Let's find out. Okay, so this is how it looks. I actually found most surprising is that it's actually pretty soft. It hasn't been out of the freezer for a long time. To be honest, that was also the first time I tried it, because this is of course a secret review retry. But that's not bad because, well, it's easier to eat and I like soft ice cream and not hard ice cream. So let's check it out. So as you can see, as a true reviewer, I really tried the product. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's pretty good. It is a little bit blander than regular ice cream, but to be honest, I like the taste. Well, there's big brand ice cream which I would rather not eat compared to this. All in all, Oppo is a really good product, to be honest, especially because it has lower calories and tastes good enough to be a low-cal product. I would call it a Pepsi Max out of the ice creams because the flavor is so good. If I can choose, I probably would choose this over normal ice cream because of the tiny bit, of course, health benefit. But this, my friends, is a 5-star product. It's a great ice cream. I really like it. And so does Fritz, but he is not allowed to eat it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check you later.